are going to discuss the question answers. So here the first bit is answer the following questions. So first question we will see that what is called wind. So all of you know that one, moving air is known as wind. So whenever that one is changing place from one place to another place, that one is called a wind. And second one, what are the various gases that air contain? That means which gases are present inside air. So air contains a mixture of various gases like oxygen, nitrogen and hydrogen. It also contains the carbon dioxide also. Next, the third one, what are different sources of water? So all of you know the different sources of water are rain, rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. The different oceans, most of the water sources are there. The oceans, the seas, these also you can write, but they are not the clean water, they are the salty water. Is it clear? Next, the fourth question. Why should we drink clean water? So that one, that all of you know that dirty water has germs that can make us feel ill. To avoid diseases, we should always drink clean water, because whatever you are seeing, that one may not be clean. You can see that one is very clean looking, no bad smell is also not coming. So that means that one is a clean water, but all time that one is not clean. So many kind of bacteria, the germs may be present. Fifth, how should we store rainwater? So the answer should be, we should never waste water. We can save rainwater using buckets, drums and tanks. We can use this water for bathing, washing clothes and also watering the plants. So whatever the water you are getting, because you know that the rainwater is a fresh water, that one is not fit for the drinking, but that one is the clean water. You can, that no any other kind of salty is not there. So what is the main problem to drink water? The most of the water is the salt, that one is containing the salt, that one is the main problem. But here this problem you can't see. So that one you should store in different way. With the help of that water you can use them. Next, the sixth one, write some uses of water. So you have to write. So the answer should be, we need water to drink, plants need water to grow and animals need water to drink. So we use it for cooking, cleaning, bathing, washing, etc. So other household works also, for cleaning the floor, for cleaning the car. So many things we are doing with the help of water. So water is a very important thing in our life. Not only water, the air is also very important. These both the things are the basic need of our life. Is it clear? Now we are going to discuss the B bit. Fill up the following blanks using the clue kit. So here first one you are able to see, strong winds are called what? So in the clue kit, what word is given? That one is the storms. So here you have to write storms. S-T-O-R-M-S. Storms. Next, the second one, we can feel dash. What should be the answer? We can feel air. In the clue kit, that what is there? Air. A-I-R. Air. Next, the third one, moving air is called dash. What should be the answer? The answer should be wind. So here you have to write wind, W-I-N-D. Next, the fourth one, we get clean air from dash and dash. So in the clue kit, you will see that the birds and beaches are given. So here you have to write bird, P-A-R-K-S, parks and beaches. B-E-A-C-H-E-S, parks and beaches. Next, the fifth one, dash is the main source of water. So in your looking, only one is remaining. That one should be the rain. Rain is the main source of water. Is it clear to all of you? So now we are going to discuss the CB. Write yes or no for the following statements. If the statement is correct, you have to write yes. If the statement is wrong, you have to write no. So first one, we can see air. Is it correct? No, we can't see air. We can only feel it. So here inside bracket, you have to write no. Next, the second one, rain is the main sources of water. That one is correct. Because in the time of lesson only I have told you that one is the main source of the water. So you have to write inside bracket yes. Next, the third one, we must grow plants around us. Yes, that one is also correct because only plant can give the supply of the oxygen, and that one is our green friend. So we have to write here yes. Next, the fourth one, water is not essential to life. No, that one is not correct. Water is the basic need of all of the living things. So that's why that one is also not the correct statement. So you have to write no inside the bracket. Is it clear? Now we will discuss the debit. Take an empty glass, invert the glass into a tub containing water. What happens? Write your observation. So you have to do that one and you have to write the observation. So here, when the glass is inverted on the water, it is pushed back. It shows that air exerts pressure. So what happens actually whenever you are keeping it in invert on that time, the air, little bit of the air, that one blocked there, and along with the water, that one become sealed actually, and from the upward the air is exerting the pressure. So on that time you won't be able to make it erect easily. That's why it happens. So did you get it? Now it's time to do the project. So what the thing you have to do? Take a white paper, put some watercolor on it, then blow the paint hard through the straw. You will get a lovely design just like this picture. So you can try it. In this way your project will be done. You can form different kind of designs and to decorate your home room, or maybe to decorate your any kind of the thing. So now the thing is the life skill. After learning the lesson, what the things you get. So first thing that the who are doing the different that sports practice a game or just working out or playing hard, they should drink before and after this exercise, that they should drink plenty of water. Otherwise you may fail the so many problems. And don't forget your water bottle also, and that things if you won't consume the water in the proper amount on that time, you may face the problem of dehydration. And all of you can feel the air and you cannot see it. So that one is a very amazing thing which one we require in our daily life that much. And always you should drink the pure water, that means the clean and the filtered water. That's why you can be healthy. So all of you go through the lesson and prepare well for our online exam. All the very best.